Welcome to this tutorial on creating a React app using Vite. Open your terminal. To check your current directory, type the pwd command. To change the directory, use the cd command to navigate through your folders. You can type cd followed by the directory path you want to move into. For example, documents in my case. You can press tab to autocomplete words. Now let's create a new Vite React app. To do this, type npm create Vite at latest and press enter. Give it a name of your choice. I'll name it Vite React App. After pressing enter, you'll see a list of frameworks. Use your arrow keys to select React as the framework. You can also choose the language you want to use with React. I'm going with JavaScript. Next, you'll need to run these 3 commands. Let's take it step by step. First, cd into our newly created React app. We can open it in VS Code directly by typing code. However, to use this command, we need to set it up in VS Code. I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. Now open the terminal in VS Code by using the shortcut Command plus backtick. It's time to install the project dependencies. Use the npm install or npmi command to do this. This will download and install all the necessary packages. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to run your project. Type npm run dev to start the development server. You can click on the localhost link while holding the command key to open your app in your default web browser. This way, you can see your changes live as you edit the code. And that's it. You've successfully created a React app using Vite. Now you're ready to start building your awesome web applications. Let's write a hello world on our app. Delete all the existing code here, create an h1 tag, and write hello world in it. Let's check it. And yes, it's working. Now let's set up the code command to open your project in VS Code. Hold Command plus Shift plus P, then type shell. Click on Install Code command in Path, and that's all. It will work now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.